What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Like usual, no wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Oh yeah, it is time to get an aerial view of Icebreaker from Sky Tower, and indeed it is open today. Only a 10-minute wait. Let's do it!
Yeah, this one's not quite a brew.
This is worth $5. Why not? $10. You know, just to go up. This is slow.
What's up? Oh my God!
Relax on a beautiful beach and even swim alongside dolphins. To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park. Look for our signature ride. Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see for miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for the lush tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, for more information about any of the guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservation.
And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, getting a closer view of Icebreaker from across the lagoon. You can see quite a few vehicles still doing a bunch of work right now.
Let me help you. You guys do like this.
That's the new one, I think.
Chandler Stadium. Please refer to your park map for designated smoking locations.
United by one ocean.
Well, we decided to take a break from the normal things that we do and enjoy the shark encounter. And right now, we're about to go through the tunnel with all the sharks.
Faint electrical signals given off by all living animals. Even stingrays buried under the sand give off an electric current. So there's no place to hide from a shark's superior senses. From gulping down fish to filtering water for tiny animals like krill, to cracking open hard-shelled crabs with special. Long before dinosaurs, long before Earth, long before humans, There were sharks. There are more than 400.
So we're joined by Lauren and Coaster Mom. Yes, that is my mom. So what do you guys think of the shark encounter?
Have you hugged your shark today?
No, I have not. But I really enjoy it though. I think it's a good exhibit. What do you guys think?
I thought it was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Lauren?
Love the sharks. They're so cute.
I wish I could pet a shark. I really wish I could.
And swings its toothy snout.
Yeah, it's really kind of neat. But yeah, we're enjoying the day and now we're on our way to the next exhibit or construction site. Tuxedo birds! Woo! Gotta love tuxedo birds. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And as we saw, a bunch of dirt is now going around the foundations that are already done near the launch track and station area. A bunch of them are starting to form near the top hat. In fact, the top hat's looking pretty good. And hopefully we'll have some track placed in the next week, 2 weeks or so, as we have Manta doing a flyby right here. But yes, icebreaker, looking forward to it, and we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.